In the search for a simple yet utterly delicious dinner recipe that won't break the bank? Look no further than the classic Italian dish, spaghetti aglio e olio. The ingredients list is refreshingly short. All that's needed is half a pound of spaghetti, 4 cloves of garlic, a quarter cup of olive oil, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, salt, freshly ground black pepper, and optional extras like grated Parmesan cheese and chopped fresh parsley for garnish. Start by cooking the spaghetti in a large pot of salted boiling water. Be sure to follow the instructions on the package to achieve that perfect al dente texture. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it, but remember to reserve about half a cup of the pasta cooking water. While the spaghetti is bubbling away, turn your attention to the garlic and olive oil. Heat the oil in a large skillet over medium heat, then add the thinly sliced garlic and red pepper flakes. Stir frequently to ensure the garlic turns a beautiful golden brown without burning. You'll know it's ready when an irresistible aroma fills the kitchen. Next, add the cooked spaghetti into the skillet with the garlic and olive oil. A quick toss ensures every strand of pasta is evenly coated with the oil. If it seems a bit dry, don't hesitate to add a little of the reserved pasta cooking water. Now it's time to season the spaghetti with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Another quick toss combines everything beautifully. And voila! Your spaghetti aglio e olio is ready to be served. Dish it up hot, garnished with grated Parmesan cheese and chopped fresh parsley if you so desire. This recipe is the epitome of simplicity and flavor, requiring just a few ingredients and a little time. It's a perfect choice for a budget-friendly dinner. And the beauty of it is, you can make it your own. Add cooked shrimp, grilled chicken, or vegetables if you wish. After all, the best meals are those that are tailored to your taste. Enjoy this journey into the heart of Italian cuisine.